What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I'm working in my junkie office right now because I'm trying to get everything organized. But I wanted to bring you guys something really quick. So I know a lot of us are fascinated with AirPod Gen 2 replicas, and I would honestly say that we all have a right to be very happy with how they are in a interesting demand. I won't say high because they're not always in a high demand. They are usually being brought and people usually do refunds and complain about them and keep them and act like they're returning them. Don't return them, then your accounts get taken down. And it's a cycle that keeps going on. And this is something that has affected a lot of people that watch me. In this video, I'm going to be going over clones. These are literal clones that you can get right now that have no Apple signage. They don't have anything Apple on them, and you can sell them just like they're replicas. And I actually have a way to prove that they sell. And you guys just have to keep watching, but just know one thing about me, and I hope that you subscribe, is I always keep your best interest at hand. Because not only do I want you guys to succeed, I want you guys to be able to make profit so you guys can then say that I helped you. And the reason is because in my opinion, this is all a performance-based income stream. Like, yeah, flipping electronics is fun, it's cool, but why would you want to flip something that doesn't sell? Why would you want to invest your money into something that doesn't bring you money back? It's very important to continue to sell products that actually bring back to you profit, right? Now, when it comes to our emotions and our feelings, a lot of people like to sell thinking, hey, I just feel like I want to make the most money, so I'm going to just start selling replicas. But if we're being honest, just because you want to make money doesn't necessarily mean that what you are doing is going to continue to work. Like, to all my people out there that are selling reps and you feel like you're in a great space and you're making money, I just want to let you know that it's not going to last. And if you're in the position to where you're selling them like hotcakes and you keep going and keep going and keep going, your account's going to get banned. So just watch this video and watch somebody actually show you how to do it the right way so that you don't have to ever experience losing your account, losing money, having chargebacks, and just being in that cycle over and over again. Because once you lose your eBay, if it's a personal eBay, it's going to be really hard for you to get another one. And that can be very frustrating. And that's the last thing I think any of us need, is that type of frustration, right? So I digress. My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And if you're watching me, just know you're always going to get the real, raw, uncut truth, because not only am I somebody that has been selling products for over a decade, but I'm also somebody that always keeps moving forward and bettering my own self. And I want you guys to do the same. I want you guys to continue to keep getting better. I want you guys to continue to make money work for you. I want you guys to continue to grow, but I want you to do it in a way that helps your brand. All right, so we're gonna go, and first we're gonna unbox these, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly why I love these. So you can get these as low as $17, okay, at wesply.com. Now, if you're just buying 6 or 12, you can get them for $28 on wesply.com, and these sell really well. And a lot of us, we want to sell products that are going to bring us profit first. But what if you can sell things that are going to give you profit, but also great reviews, because you've already let it be known exactly what you're selling, right? Hustle is outside the door. Hustle's my dog. If you don't know, he's outside the door trying to peek on us. But yeah. So what if you were able to do that? I'm not cutting this out either. He's really just hustle. What are you doing? Hold on, okay? So these right here are the clones. They come in this packaging that looks like this, right? In a box that is just simple, like this, right? Now, we have to remember clones aren't meant to look like the real thing as far as package wise. But when it comes to the product, yes. Now, this is just blue tape that you could take off, okay? But I'm keeping it on because these are actually going to somebody. But again, this right here is the closest you're gonna actually get to really being able to see beautiful clones that don't at all operate any differently from reps. These are so beautiful. These are so pristine when it comes to the quality, but also them sounding just like reps and you being able to sell them like reps without having any customers be able to take your post down. Now, I'm gonna explain to you why they can't take your post down in a second, but just know that if you're somebody out there that is looking to sell reps and you're just so infatuated with selling reps, there is a way to do it. You just have to do it in the right way. You cannot think that you're going to get away with selling products over and over again that get your accounts taken down, or products that you got to keep taking down immediately and then listing. We don't want to live like that. We don't want to make money like that. Okay? And if I'm being really, really, really honest with you guys, that's what I love about building and growing when it comes to these areas and products like the clone rep realm. I love the thrill of helping customers actually get products that look and feel and sound the same, but don't have to pay that money, right? So let's look at how much these actually go and how we list them. And I'm gonna show you on my camera. I'm not gonna hop on the computer. I'm gonna show you on the camera exactly what we do and how we list these for them to sell, so you can just copy it and do the same thing and make money. And I'm giving this all to you guys for free because guess what? What I want is I want you guys to succeed. And also, I want to always go make it clear, I'm somebody that has a reselling, wholesaling company, okay? I am building a company called WESPLY that caters to resellers like me and you that are looking to get products, but we just want to get products in the United States. We don't want to wait 4 weeks. We don't want to wait a whole bunch of time to the point to where we're losing our customers. So that is where our gain is. I want to connect with you. I want to become one of your wholesalers so that you can actually be able to make money with reliable products. I don't get any of my products from AliExpress or Alibaba or DHgate. I get my products from distributors overseas that I've had connections with. If you don't know my backstory, just know I've been doing this for so long that I've been able to actually gain trust, understanding, and also creativity, control with a bunch of my products that I have in stock at WESPLY.com. So let's hop on and let's see exactly how we list these. Okay guys, so wireless in-ear Bluetooth headset is the title we have. These are the pictures we have. Okay, and I'm showing you this is because the first picture that we have shows exactly how the front of the box looks. And we took all of these pictures from the website. So from another seller, okay? And then this is the back. And then what we did was we went all the way down, and in the description we put white wireless in-ear Bluetooth headset. This is not Apple AirPod Gen 2. And then this is where we tell them it has no logo on it. And this is how we sell it, so the customer knows that this is not real. And if they're gonna buy it, they're just buying wireless headphones. Now, I did not get this person's permission to go deep in their analytics like I wanted to. But what ended up happening was this person sold around 60 with the whole time they've been dealing with us. And that accounts for, and the price point currently that they are selling them at is $45 to $65. So we started at 45 and we went up all the way to 65. We tried to go to 70. 70 was still selling, but slower. So we decided to keep it at 65. But again, there's so many different ways that you can sell these and make money, and you don't have to risk your account. And that's the most important thing, is your account. Because remember, some of us, we rely on our account to bring in money for bills, or even just bring in extra money in general, right? So we don't want our accounts to get banned. So sell clones and start investing smartly into your business. And if you want to get clones, go to wesupply.com. You can go either right here, replica clones, or you can go to audio, replica, and clones, and then here they are right here. So again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have my complete setup done shortly so I can do more content for you in a more, stable environment. But I wanted to make sure I bring you guys this because time is ticking, man, and you could be making so much money literally right now. So let's make this money work for us. Let's not work for the money. And I'll see you guys at the top because it's way too crowded at the bottom. Peace.